What's up, guys? Garrett here with Self-Taught.dev. Today we are back on the Bandit over the wire, going to level 8 from level 7. So as always, first thing we're going to do, connect to SSH Bandit 7, and then we will take our password from the previous level, paste it in here with Control-Shift-V, press enter, and then we are in for level 7. Now, the password for this level is stored in the file data.txt. So first we got to find that next to the word millionth. So if we just do ls, data.txt is right there. If we cat data.txt, there's a decent chunk of data in there that we don't really want to just go through line by line to find millionth. It wouldn't take too long, but not practical. So what we're going to do, we're going to use grep. This is basically the search command. If you want to read more about it, you can do man grep, and it prints out like the grep manual pretty much. We're just going to do q to quit. So we're going to do grep, and then the word we want to find is millionth. So we're going to copy that to make sure we spell it correct, and then do Control-Shift-V to paste it, and then we want to use it on data.txt. And then we have our password right here. So we will Control-Shift-C, copy that, Control-V, paste it, and then we have beat level number 7. If you guys have any questions or need any help, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Peace.